Press the Wi-Fi button on the printer until the light and the light flash alternately, approximately 5 seconds. Wait until the process ends. When a connection is established, the light turns on. In this video I will show you how to download and install the Epson L4150 printer driver. Open Google Chrome and in the search bar, type Epson L4150 printer driver download. From the search results, click on the official Epson website for your printer. Scroll down to the driver section and look for the appropriate driver for your printer model. You may see multiple options, so make sure to select the latest version. Select your operating system as Windows and choose the correct version, example Windows 10 64-bit, from the drop-down menu. Click on the Download button next to the driver. Once the driver file is downloaded, locate the file on your computer, usually in the Downloads folder, and double-click on it to start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the installer to complete the installation process. Make sure to carefully read and accept the license agreement, select the installation location, and follow any additional prompts that may appear. Select your connection method. Connect via wireless network, Wi-Fi. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once your printer is successfully installed, you can start using it to print, scan, and copy documents.